Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to do a Meesho haul. Meesho is all over the internet and girls love shopping from Meesho. So I just wanted to try it out for myself, and anyways I needed to stock up on few of modest and like good tops. So I just decided to buy a few from Meesho. So initially I got one or two tops from Meesho, but when they got delivered I was surprised with the quality that it had. So guess what? I did order a few more. So right now I have quite a few tops with me lying here that I cannot wait to show it to you guys. So everything that I've got in today's video is super stylish, super comfortable and super affordable. Well, but at the same time they have also maintained the quality of all the tops, which is quite impressive. You'll exactly know what I mean when I'll try all these tops for you. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. First come first, I want to show a top that has to be my favorite purchase from Meesho. I love everything about this top. The fit, the finish, the color, the feel, everything is top notch. I mean, I can literally live in this top. It's so good. This is how the top looks. This top comes with a long sleeve and the fabric is so soft. It's just perfect. It's not too thick, not too thin, just perfect. And I think the long sleeves and the fabric makes this top very comfortable. And let's take a minute to talk about the neckline of this top. It's not very deep, not very revealing, yet looks very stylish. And the best part is the color. I'm just so obsessed with this color that I literally live in this top. And when I say I live, I literally live. And if you're someone who has not tried brown color, I think you need to try a brown color top. Pair it with some black trouser. Trust me guys, you're going to take up the fashion game to next level. It looks super stylish and super chic. So yeah, overall this top has to be the best purchase that I have ever made from Meesho. Okay, so the next one that we have is also a long sleeve top. Well, basically this haul is full of long sleeve tops. There's just one that has short sleeve. I intentionally got long sleeve tops because I wanted some modest clothes for like everyday basis. So again, this has to be one of my favorites. I love this top for the color and the fabric. It's super soft and fits on me like a glove. I love this top for the color. It's a very cute pink color and the fabric is super soft. It's not at all transparent. I think this top has to be one of my favorite again. I love pairing this top with a white trouser. You can also pair it with blue jeans or black jeans, but I love pairing this top with a white trouser. And look at the neck, you guys. This is like a semi polo neck situation, which looks very cute once you wear it. And this top is very versatile. You can wear it in summers or in winters. You can layer it up with a coat or blazer, and in summers you can just wear it as is. I just cannot believe that this top is just under 200 rupees. I think they have nailed the fabric game. It's so soft, super thin but not at all transparent. So that's the best part. I do not prefer tops with sheer material. I love tops that have like good fabric and that fits really good on me. So yeah, the fit and feel and the color has to be the best. So again, I have a new favorite. Quickly, let's move on to the third one. The next top is this classic black top with a same polo neck again and long sleeves. I think this top is so versatile that you can pair anything and everything with this. You can level it up or level it down, up to you, whatever you prefer. But this is again a best purchase that I have ever done from Meesho. Again, the fabric is like super soft. It has that lining texture, if you can see, which makes it like super airy. It's not at all thick on your skin. It fits like a glow, looks super chic, super stylish. I just love the way that this top can be styled in multiple ways. Like black never goes wrong obviously, but then this top is the most modest top that you can ever have in your wardrobe. What else can you ask for 200 rupees? I mean, wow. Moving on the fourth and the last top. So I love anything that is mauve, and I think the next top that we have is in similar shades. So this is the last top for today's haul. Look at the neck detailing, you guys. This is basically like a short top, but it has this cold shoulder on the side, which makes it look super stylish and super cute. Again, the fabric is very thick. For 200 rupees, I don't know how Meesho like nails the fabric. It's super soft, not too thin, not too thick. Again, not at all transparent. This is my favorite color, the mauve shade, like the pink and mauve mix. You know, if you know, this has to be like, I'm obsessed with this color. Like, you give me anything in mauve shade, I'll take it happily. Again, the fit, finish and the color makes this one of my favorite purchase. I know I've been calling every top my favorite, but trust me guys, everything from today's haul has to be something that I wear on a daily basis. Every top that I have got has surprised me, and how. Everything that I got from Meesho is a thumbs up. So this is basically all for today's video. If you like today's video, let me know, because I'm so ready to make a part 2. And all the product links will be mentioned in the description below. So do check them out. Well, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Till then,